Okay, so hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 94, that is binary tree in order traversal. And if you have been following me on Insta, we have already solved this question over there. You can easily find it out in the DSA series. But okay, let's go. And we are given the root of a binary tree and we have to return the in-order traversal of its nodes. And I guess everyone knows that how the in-order traversal works. Firstly, we'll be traveling the left side of the particular node and then we'll be traveling the right side of the particular node. Okay, so it's a pretty easy question, and what we have to do, we have to return a list of integers containing the pre-order traversal. Okay, so let's firstly declare answer list globally, list of integer. Let's say answer is equal to new array list, and then let's have a function in order that will be taking the parameter as root, and at the end let's just return answer. Okay, so now let's declare the in order function, private void in order, and it will be taking tree node. Let's call it node, and let's set the base case that if my node is equal to null, I'll be simply return. Okay, otherwise what I'll be doing, I'll be firstly traversing in the left side of that particular node. So for that, in order, then here node dot left, and then after the recursion will come back, I'll be adding it to the list, answer dot add node dot value, and then again for the right side of the particular node. Okay, in order node dot right. Now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Yeah, and it works. Okay, so you can also solve this using a stack. I would like to recommend that you should give a try with using stack also. Okay, so this was it today. Thank you for watching.